So we see here, this is my son's girlfriend's 2018 WRX, and it is right after the winter, so I started to clean it, and you can see here I've already applied the tire cleaner, and we do a quick walk around of the car, and she is really dirty, although it doesn't look like it, and I apologize for the aspect ratio. Still learning to use the software and everything here, but I thought I would redo some of the video so that I could explain what was going on. And you can see what in the walk around, the car is pretty dirty. You can see here that there's basically no protection left on the paint, and it is not beading at all, very slow sheeting. These are the products I was going to use today. So YouTube said that the audio I used in this clip before was going to cause a copyright issue, so enjoy my soothing tones as I voice over this section of slow-mo tire cleaning. Ooh, slow motion tire cleaning. So clean. Gonna apply the Koch Chemie hydrofoam sealant to the car, and as you can see, the final result is shiny and clean. By the way, for those of you wondering, the car is essentially stock except it's sitting on coilovers and it has an axle back exhaust, but otherwise it is stock. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and if you enjoyed it, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing. Thanks so much.